in class टुडे हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन। आज हम हेल्थ एंड हाइजीन में रेस्पिरेटरी सिस्टम्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। रेस्पिरेटरी मीन्स ब्रीदिंग इज अ प्रोसेस बाय विच ऑक्सीजन ऑब्टेन्ड फ्रॉम फ्रेश एयर is absorbed into the bloodstream and carbon dioxide formed by the tissue action is removed from the blood and expelled into the air that is then expired. It is a process essential to life. It involves the taking in of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. The main organs of respiratory system are nose, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs. Next is nervous system. The internal balance of the human body is maintained within normal limit by the nervous system and the endocrine system. The nervous system may be subdivided into three main portions. First is the central nervous system. This consists of brain and spinal cord. Next is the peripheral nervous system. This forms the connection between the central nervous system and the various organ and muscle. The autonomic nervous system, it is an offshoot of the central nervous system. It is the control the involuntary function of the various internal organs such as the stomach, intestine, bladder, and also the tiny muscle of the blood vessels, and also control the secretion of the liver and kidney. Last is excretory system. Excretion is a process by which waste products are removed out of the body. Among the organs that contribute toward the elimination of waste products are the skin, lung, kidney, and the gastrointestinal tract. Excretory system is divided into two parts: skin and urinary system. Skin, the external surface of the body. Waste matter in the form of sweat is removed through the respiration by the skin. Urinary system is divided by four parts: kidney, ureter, urinary bladders, and urethra. Kidney, there are two bean-shaped organs. Ureters, there are two tubes which carry the urine. Urinary bladder, it is a hollow muscular organ situated in the pelvic cavity, and urethra is a tube leading from the floor of the urinary bladder to the exterior. Now class, thank you and Jai Narayan.